Hi guys, welcome to my channel Payal's Recipe. Today on the occasion of Ganesh Chaturthi, I'm going to make one of Lord Ganesha's favorite sweets. No, it's not modak, but it's Coconut Ladoo, and this is a very delicious and easy recipe, and let's get started. The ingredients for this recipe are 2 cups of grated coconut, 1 cup of jaggery. I have the powdered jaggery, but you can use the solid form as well. This is about 2 to 3 tablespoons of ghee, some cashew nuts. These are the cardamom seeds that I have slightly crushed, and about 20 ml of water. The first thing I want to do is heat the pan, and we're going to fry those cashew nuts for a few minutes till it's slightly brown. So I'm going to add the ghee. I've just added little ghee now to fry these cashew nuts. Just fry them till they are slightly brown. Now keep the flame on low so the cashews don't get burnt, and they are almost brown, so I'm just going to take them out. Here are the fried cashew nuts. And now what I'm going to do is, to the same pan, I'm going to add some more ghee. You can adjust the quantity of ghee per what you want. And to this ghee, I'm going to add the freshly grated coconut. Keep the gas on low flame and saute the coconut in this ghee for a couple of minutes. Now you can also add sugar to this laddu, but I just love the flavor and the color of gur or jaggery. So I'm going to add jaggery to this coconut laddu. So now we've been cooking our coconut for 2 minutes, and now I'm going to add the other things like the cardamom powder and the jaggery. After adding the jaggery powder and cardamom, again I'm going to turn the flame on low and start mixing everything together with the coconut. And this is a super delicious recipe, and I can get the aromas of the ghee, the coconut, elaichi or cardamom, and the jaggery. Now this water is optional, but I'm adding a pinch of water, little bit of water, just to bind the entire thing. And I continue mixing it for about 10 minutes. So our mixture has been cooking for about 10 to 15 minutes on low flame, and now it's ready, and I'm going to turn off the flame and let it cool in this plate for some time before we make the coconut laddus. Here's the coconut mix and the fried cashew nuts, and I'm just going to let this cool down for a few minutes before we make the laddus. So our coconut mix has cooled down now, and I have these cashew nuts as well, and now I'm going to make round balls to make laddu out of this mixture. So I just make balls like these, and then stick one cashew nut on top of this like this. I'm going to continue making a few more. I hope you enjoyed this simple coconut laddu recipe. And if you did, do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel Payal's Recipe, and don't forget to click on the bell icon to receive notifications of the new recipes that I post. And I hope to see you soon. Thanks for watching my video. Happy Ganesh Chaturthi. Bye bye.
All emotion.